This is the most professional repair shop I've ever seen in Pakistan. With just some simple equipment, they can turn old vehicles into brand new ones. The Land Cruiser in front of me is truly a classic, having traveled with its owner for over 20 years. Its exterior has been meticulously maintained, and it exudes a charm that rivals modern vehicles. Though the genuine leather interior has clearly been affected by time, these are just minor issues. The owner hopes to upgrade its appearance and transform it into a new model. This modification project is indeed a massive undertaking, almost equivalent to giving the vehicle a new shell. Apart from the roof, every exterior component of the vehicle needs to be completely dismantled. Due to the lack of electric wrenches and air guns, the mechanics can only rely on manual tools to slowly dismantle the vehicle. However, this doesn't trouble the experienced mechanics. They treat this modification like a game, handling each component with ease and expertise, as if it were second nature to them. In less than 2 hours, they completed the dismantling of the external parts. To control costs, they decided to manually repair the door panels instead of directly replacing them with new parts. This meant patiently sanding off the original paint on each panel to ensure a smooth and flawless surface. This process was both time-consuming and labor-intensive, but the mechanics didn't back down. With meticulous craftsmanship, they polished the door panels to look brand new. Next, they painstakingly crafted trim lines by hand, adding unique decorative elements to the vehicle's body. To install the new headlights, they used oxy-fuel cutting to adapt to the new installation requirements. Additionally, they installed brand new headlight frames and headlights, bringing fresh highlights to the vehicle. Due to the need for sheet metal repair on the fenders, the craftsmen used hammers for fine adjustment to ensure a smooth surface and texture. Although there might be minor irregularities visible at this stage, it's not a major concern. The experienced craftsman will once again use angle grinders to shape the body lines perfectly. Following this, meticulous sanding with sandpaper will be carried out, showcasing the technician's skillfulness and attention to detail. They not only possess a deep understanding of automobile structures but also master various tools usage techniques. After applying putty, they will use a combination of sandpaper and water for sanding, preparing the surface thoroughly for the subsequent painting work. This step is crucial as it ensures a smooth and flawless surface, providing an ideal foundation for painting. Next, the vehicle will be moved to a professional dust-free chamber for painting. Before painting, the repairmen will carefully cover the parts of the vehicle that do not require painting with newspapers to ensure that only the target areas receive paint. Skillfully holding the spray gun, they will adjust the appropriate paint pressure and angle, releasing a uniform and delicate spray that precisely covers the body surface. The craftsmen are familiar with every detail of the painting process, ensuring that each area receives proper coverage, thus avoiding drips or uneven coats. Finally, after the painting process is completed, the craftsman will use a polishing machine and appropriate polishing compounds to polish the paint surface. They evenly apply the polishing compound on the vehicle's surface and use a polishing wheel with the right pressure and direction to wax it. This process not only provides the vehicle with an extra shine but also forms a protective layer, preventing scratches and dirt from damaging the paint during daily use. The polishing and waxing process rejuvenates the paint surface, making it gleam and stand out. The comprehensive upgrade of the vehicle's appearance gives it a strong personality and confidence, completely shedding the impression of an old model vehicle.